Today we're walking on the Monsal Trail, and the great news is we got ourselves some free parking. We are going that way this morning. So the Monsal Trail is a cycle path, but obviously you can walk along here as well. It's perfect, and considering we're in the Peak District, it's perfectly flat. We dropped our daughter Laura off somewhere at the other end in that direction, so they should be coming past us a little bit later. This used to be an old train station, now converted to refreshments and toilets. Former railway line converted and managed by the Peak District National Park Authority for use by walkers, cyclists and horse riders.
Footpath sign.
Hey, that's a cool one, isn't it? Here they come. Laura and Sterling. And off they go. We're coming to our first tunnel. Lytton Tunnel. Lytton? Lytton? That's a neat little geocache, isn't it? Lovely views. Right, we're about to be walking on the viaduct. Back to the path, and we're turning left because we're heading that way. Gotta go that way. Cool. But we're not going that way. We're now going this way. We're not the only ones venturing down here. Lovely area. We are stopping for a sandwich. Have a spot of lunch before we walk on. That is a lovely view, isn't it? That is a very nice view. That was a beautiful little spot. Stop. We're now walking back along the river that way. We're thinking, as this is going up, it's going to take us up back towards the viaduct, and then it'll take us back down towards the river. There's the viaduct down below, through the trees. We're going to carry on this way, heading down a lane to get back down to the river. It's quieter down here as well. And as I'm walking, I've just noticed to my far left is the viaduct. It's a nice view. That reminds us more of Scotland and the Peak District. Now reached, looks like the tiny village of Cresbrook. We saw this just the other side where the trail was. So it's nice to be walking along here now. Cresbrook Mill. We were along the trail up there, looking down earlier. Nearly back at the car. We've still got the river to our left. And that's where we started our walk this morning. At that very sign, ready for the trail. Back at the motor. Lovely walk. Hope you enjoyed our walk on the Monsal Trail. And the weir, that was good, wasn't it, the weir? So no particular order, hit that like button, make a comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well. See you on the next one.